Hey, what's up, guys? So today in this video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna install some LED lights on my Honda Accord. I got two sets here. I got this from eBay. I pay around $52 for each. I choose Auxito brand. I never tried it before, so I wanna test them out. I choose two sets, one for my headlights and one for my fog lights. For any reason, they sent me one set for F2. I'm not sure if it's the same brand, like different model or something like that. I don't know. But I was looking online and I don't think so. I don't think they're the same brand. But instead of returning them, what I wanna do is I wanna test them out. And I was opening the box and to see the quality. I have the product manual. It comes with an Allen wrench. I don't know what. And it comes with the error-free box. And here's the LED. As you can see, quality-wise, they're pretty good. They're very solid. And like material, it doesn't look like to be cheap stuff, you know. It has external fan for cool down the LED bulb. And this should be plug and play, so you should connect this LED here. Oh, how it goes right here. And then install them on your headlight assembly. And then the same plug that you take out from the halogen bulb, you just plug it in here, turn it on, and it should be good to go. So these are the F2. Like I said, these are for my, what's this? 9006, right? Yeah, 9006. This is gonna be my headlights, and these are going to be my fog lights. So let me see the quality of this product here. I got them like 2 days ago. I received them, but I didn't have time because I have my full time, you know. So I didn't have time to do this video and to start working on the car. So on the Auxito, same thing. We have some zip ties with the Allen wrench, and it comes with the product manual. In this case, this light bulb it looks different. Check it out. You see? And remember, on the F2, it comes 2 pieces. Well, these come one together. You know? And it has Auxito name on it. And also it comes with the external fan. So what am I gonna do is I'm gonna go outside and start taking everything apart to install them, and I will see you there. So here's my car. It's a 2012 Honda Accord. So what am I gonna do? Let me pop the hood. I know it's dirty. I have to do a car wash. Where is it? Sorry. So for swap the headlights and the fog lights, I will have to remove this trim piece right here, and take the whole front bumper to take out the headlights and swap the bulbs over there. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna do magic finger. So I'm gonna set up all my tools here. I have my jacks in the back. I have my jack stands and my floor jack over there. So let's go ahead and make it happen. So as you can see, I have everything set up. I have my tools over there. I have my 2 jack stands. Another thing that I want to show you guys is how the stock light looks on the vehicle. So let me turn them on and I'm gonna show you that. up, man? Come on, boy. Come on, boy. I have my high beams on. So my fog light. And this one is out. Guys, so as you can see here, I removed the front bumper already. For take the headlight assembly, I had to remove this 10mm, this stand here, and I think that's it. Yeah, once you remove those two, oh well, and this one too, this stand here. Once you remove those two, it should come off. So let's go ahead and, so the low beam, this is the one that we're gonna be replacing. This is the high beam. So here where it goes. Let's go get the LED ones. It should be 9006. Yeah, correct. So, first thing, let me show you the difference. So, you see, guys, halogen light bulb, LED, there's a difference. So from the box, if you see, it's the same plug. You see, so these are plug and play. Should be pretty easy. Let's take the regular bulbs from the fog lights and put the LED ones. Alright guys, there we have it, everything installed back on the car. So let's go ahead and try them out. There we have it, guys. What do you think? Alright guys, that's it for this video. As you can see, we installed our LED lights on the Honda Accord. At the end of the video, or you will see two clips. One driving night condition with the regular halogen bulb, and the other clip will be with the new LED light bulbs. Please just leave your comments down below and tell me what do you think about this product. Remember, F2 headlights are on top and Auxito LED bulbs are on the bottom. So if you have any recommendation for future products we should try, please just leave it in the comments. And we're gonna do future things to this vehicle. We're gonna add some rims, suspension. We're gonna do a paint job because it has a damage right here on the front passenger side. So just stay tuned and please give me a huge like, and if you want, subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.